how to print up a stencil using stencil printer ink on an Epson M205 inkjet printer. If you have your design on paper, you can just make a copy or print directly from your computer. As you can see from the stencil, the ink can pick up very fine details in dark or light shading. Now we will be applying the stencil to the skin. We are using stencil stick today to make the transfer. Place your design onto the skin, apply pressure, and then wait for a few seconds before removing the stencil. We are using PacCon stencil paper to print our stencil. This paper works the best and gives you longer lasting stencils. As you can see, the stencil looks great, but the true test is how well it holds up during the tattoo procedure. So let's wipe down the tattoo. Let's even add some dynamic ink to the skin and see how well it holds up. The stencil printer ink keeps your stencils dark and clear. The Epson Eco Tank Printer will work best for this ink. The printer has a built-in copier which is perfect for making stencils. Just take your design and copy it, or you can print it digitally from your computer. For more details, please visit our website.